Hi, I hope you all had a wonderful Raksha Bandhan and enjoyed the celebrations with your family. However, you must be wondering what to do with the Rakhi. If yes, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you different ways how to repurpose or reuse your old Rakhis. Come, let's start. Just tie them around your curtains and add that cute little decorative detail to your windows. You can hang them onto your keys and turn them into interesting keychains. Or create some fun and adorable hair accessories for your little ones. You can also use the very pretty ones as jewelry pieces. Add your funky Loombas onto your skirts or blouses as a dangling embellishment, also called as Latkans, to enhance its ethnic look and feel. So this time, do not throw away your Rakhis, instead give them a second life. This way, we can reduce waste and contribute towards a better planet. Next time, choose to buy upcycled, sustainable, eco-friendly Rakhi options, or you can also opt for the plantable ones. Let's do some caring!